Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am at TVS Moto Garage at Raviana's place for some basic upgrade on my Hermes. And there's Raviana. So I'm gonna update that with a crash guard as well as knuckle guard and changing the accelerator cable. So these are the basic update. I will also do a DIY video on how to fit a BMC filter, so I'm going to do that as well for performance bit. And this is Two Tire Garage. Check this out, and we will do some basic updates for trails. So last time you've seen all these bits are because of the trails that we did in so I had a crash there. I also broke the chain guard. A lot of stuff was gone, so now right now doing just basic things that will help me to do trails better. So we'll have knuckle guard because most of our trails have a lot of these strips and everything hitting us near the corner, so we'll have to have that knuckle guard. And then crash guard is purely because I want to have a Mad Dog setup. I can't put it anywhere else, so I need to have a crash guard. So I've got a basic crash guard. So let's start this. So this is the basic crash guard that we are installing. And after a lot of search, I found this wasn't available anywhere, nor at TVS showroom or anywhere, so I had to finally get it from Bangalore. Fit apne no apna ka. So we will install this. I'm so not used to seeing my crash guard on this Hermes. It looks a little I don't like the look though, but what to do, just because of the additional lights I have to have them, otherwise I'll not be able to install the aux light. I'll have to probably install somewhere here. That's the main intention why this is going, and also to protect the bike a little bit, especially when you fall on off-roads. And that's Raviana, people who don't know. I'm gonna give a link in the description. You can go check out the location of this place, Two Tire Moto Garage. You want to come, so you will see a lot of Himalayan, Royal Enfield. So Raviana expertised, or he is expert in Himalayan. Correct ate? So Himalayan, if you have just Himalayan ate. So here is Royal Enfield pura gadi. Or Royal Enfield pura gadi. Mata Royal Enfield gadi. So you guys can come check out here, get your stuff fixed. Now it's time to change the accelerator cable. That's become a little hard. Last time Raviana had told me, so we'll change that. Alpa both another hard crack. We'll change that because in the next couple of days there's a lot of adventure coming in, so we'll have to get ready. So there's a new one. We'll get that changed now. So just install the new cable. So this is the new cable which we installed, and that's the old one. So if you see, it's gone, and then see here, this was completely giving me a lot of trouble, especially in Patla. So it's time to change this. So just finished installing the new cable, accelerator cable. The last bit fine tuning. And next we'll install the knuckle guard. So that will complete my basic first step of mods that I'm installing. Then I will be installing the BMCI filter. which I will do a DIY separately, so you can check out those videos as well. Just check out, installed the knuckle guards. Comment below and tell me what do you think about the knuckle guards. How does the motorcycle looks after the knuckle guard and also the crash guard? Do you see any changes? Comment below. And here we have Hermes posing at TYRES Moto Garage. Check out the basic mods, complementing knuckle guard, which is orange color, with the crash guard. Then this color will be changed very soon to orange, probably today itself. And a little more coming in. Like I mentioned, BMC air filter going soon. We will have Mad Dog Scott X coming in soon. We'll have a USB coming in soon on this, and there will be a proper trail setup, and we'll try to reduce some weight. We'll take this off very soon because this is giving a little trouble when you're doing some water crossing and getting some jumps, so we'll get that rid. So rest all set for now. You saw what the mod we've done. Thank you, Ravindra. Mast thanks. Thank you. So anybody want to come check out their motorcycle, get it repaired, check, serviced, whatever, you can come to check it out. TYRES Moto Garage, and I'm going to put a Google link in the description. You can come and meet Ravindra. Whatever it is, he'll get it done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. See you. Bye bye. And let's ride Hermes and meet who is here. So if people don't know who's this guy, he's got a shop called
Helmet Hub.
Helmet Hub and Pumpwell. So I'm going to put a link in the description of Helmet Hub also. You guys go check them out. People who have asked for helmets, I have recommended Anna for that. So he will go give you the best rates for all the helmets that you need. So be safe whenever you're on the motorcycle, and he's the man to be safe. Bye bye for now, guys.